Hi, my name is Rosana. I come from Spain and my mother tongue is Spanish. The biggest difference between German and Spanish are for me most of the time the sounds. I had to learn some of them from scratch, like for example the vocals with umlaut, which we don't use, and they're, as an example, U, Ö, and E. So yeah, those are the biggest difference for me. The most difficult thing in German for me is, I think, grammar. And one example is the difference between accusative and dative. I always get confused with those. The biggest thing for me in German is sometimes remember vocabulary, because as I speak other languages, there's always a connection that I can find to remember them. A trick that works for me to remember some of the sounds that I had to learn from scratch is to mix two sounds into one. So when I try to say U, which is an U with umlaut, I place my mouth as if I was gonna say U, but then I say I. So the sound is U. That's what I do with also O with umlaut and A with umlaut.